baking diva. Well, a couple of days after Christmas, I went with my son and my grandson to the American Dream Mall. It's in East Rutherford, New Jersey. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump from New York City. Well, let me tell you, I didn't know what to expect when I walked in those doors, but it was nothing short of incredible. I just could not believe it. Massive complex, and it's a combination of entertainment, retail, and restaurants. They say it's the 5 F's. Let me see, it says here, fantasy, food, fashion, family, and fun. Well, there is, first of all, let me say, it's the second largest mall in America. It's the largest indoor theme park in the Western Hemisphere. There is everything there. I mean, they have a water park. They have skiing. I think it's called Big Snow. We didn't even get to see a portion of it the time we were there. We definitely have to go back. There's about 100 eateries and more on the way. There is about 45 specialty restaurants and 21 full-service restaurants. There is the, it's massive. There is the water park. The water park has more in it than anything in the world. So I'm not going to go on and on. I'm going to show you some videos and some stills I took of our trip around the American Dream Mall. Trust me, we only captured a small part of it. There is just too much to film, and I will definitely be going back again without children so I can check out all those awesome shops that I didn't get to go into. So, all I can say is enjoy the show. If you're in the vicinity and you're looking for a staycation, go over there. If you're from a distance, plan a vacation. There's hotels around there, and you could spend days in there. So anyway, here we go, presenting the American Dream Mall. Enjoy it and visit it. You'll love it. We're on our way to the American Dream Mall in East Rutherford, New Jersey. It's the second largest mall in America. It cost over $5 billion to make, and it's 3 million square feet. And it's an unrivaled destination for indoor family fun. We parked in the parking garage, there are many, and took the escalator upstairs where we saw Mr. Beast Burgers. I did a video on that last week. And as we got off the escalator, we saw all of both adults and children riding these animals all over the mall. It was so funny to see them. And I'm like, oh, look at that. You'll see as we go on that this mall is nothing short of incredible. Look at that. The floor is so shiny that it almost looks like ice, but it isn't, but we'll get to that later. There aren't that many Toys R Us stores around, but there's one here, and the Toys R Us train passed us by. And of course there was Legoland. Oh yeah, the Legoland Discovery Center. Lots of people were waiting to get into that. And then right next to that was Sea Life. They have a beautiful aquarium there. It's an underground aquarium that is just awesome. Look at this jellyfish. The kids can press something and the jellyfish will turn all different colors. So this is certainly a place where the family, especially the young kids, can have a fun time. I had to go check out this vendor who was selling action figures that impersonated you. They were custom ordered and they had your faces on them. It was very interesting. And then we came upon Out of This World. It was a mirror maze and backlight mini golf. So there was a lot of people online waiting to get in there. It was just unbelievable. And here, oh yeah, look at this mall. Everywhere you go, the walls in different sections were designed differently. There's Scott and Lucas heading out. Lots of people, and there was the Coca-Cola bubble. Coca-Cola has an awesome little place you can eat and drink, and it's called the Coca-Cola bubble. Look at all these people. Yes, I will say it was quite crowded, but it didn't matter. Everybody was having a good time. Look at all the beautiful decor in this mall. There was just so much to see. You would need to go here for days to be able to see everything. And here was a vendor selling these big bubbles with roses in them. Perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. And then we passed by, I think it was Blast. I think that was coming up next. Yeah, there you go. That was the Blast. So many kids here. You know, it was decorated also for Christmas because it was just, I think, a couple of days after Christmas that we went there. So many new vendors and establishments are coming in there. It's just awesome. And there's the cotton candy lady. It's called Cotton Pop Shop. She was selling that. And then, of course, they had shoes they were selling with tons of those little charms that you put in Crocs. I walked over to take a peek, just to be curious. They sure had enough of them. And then, of course, as we strolled on by, we saw Panda Bubble Tea. There was the Groovy shop in the middle, sold cool hats. And then, of course, there was the bakery and the shop there. Really, you would need days to see everything. And here is an NHL-sized skating rink, right smack in the middle of the mall. The stores are all around it, and here you can see if you go up to the second floor, you could eat and watch the skaters below. The New Jersey Devils hockey team, they come out here and they do lessons for boys and girls, I think ages 5 to 9. Everybody was having a ball on that ice. And they have these little blue machines, if you can see them. If you're not a good skater, there you go. You can hold on to one of those and push it, and you can learn how to skate. You see all the floors above it? This is a massive mall. We walked around for hours and still didn't see even half of it. And then, of course, there's the store. It's sugar. The statue, the green statue you see there of the Statue of Liberty is all made out of candy. And there's my grandson Lucas. The pillars are all made out of jelly beans. And here's a little candy forest, and of course, that horse is made out of candy also. And this was interesting. There is a 1 mile long candy necklace that has the Guinness World of Records for being the longest candy necklace. That was too much. Here, I took a picture of it. Look at the size of that necklace. 1 mile long. It was too funny. And they just have so much candy in there. You could spend an hour or more just walking around the candy. And look at this. You can't resist our squiddy balls. Oh, I don't know. And then the big attraction is the ski slopes. The big big snow. Here's a little shop outside before you go in, where you can buy all kinds of ski attire, or you can rent ski attire. You see a lot of people going in there, and of course you see all the Christmas decorations out there. Big Snow is the first and the only indoor real ski attraction. It's open 365 days a year. And yes, you heard me right, it's real snow. I think that was one of the most awesome things to see. Everybody sliding down those ski slopes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Everybody was having a ball. People come from all over to ski here. Look at that. I tried to take some nice videos, but I took them actually through the glass. So hopefully you can see them all right. Look at that. Everybody's having so much fun. This is one of their biggest attractions. They have many, but this is one of the biggest ones. Look at those, the lifts bringing them up the mountain. So cool. I know, that's a pun. So cool. And we're going to come upon the designer fashion area on another floor. Get a load of this. I didn't know where to put my eyes first. There's ponds, and they have koi swimming in those ponds. The decorations and the paintings, look at this, on the walls are just awesome. Look at this. I mean, this is the floor where they have all the designer clothing stores and whatnot. I mean, it's absolutely unbelievable. Oh my goodness. And a lot, look at that. Alexander Wang and, oh, Dolce and Gabbana. Oh, I couldn't see who was next door. Look at this. You want to take a little rest? And there's another designer store. They also have many new stores going in. So they have artwork on the walls to cover where the stores haven't opened yet. I believe right now there's over 200 stores open, or maybe close to 250. Wow, look at that ceiling. And I believe there's room for probably another 200 more. Now, when I said family entertainment, I sure meant it. You have the Nickelodeon Universe. And this is an indoor theme park, which is the largest indoor theme park in the Western Hemisphere. They have 5 awesome, and I mean awesome, roller coasters. And you'll see coming up that they have the Dream Wheel. I'll tell you about that when we get there. But look at all of the things you can do in this theme park. There are rides, and more rides. There's entertainment. I think I even spotted SpongeBob and maybe Patrick putting on a little show. Look at that. Yes, it was crowded. I told you before, we went the week between Christmas and New Year's. I'd love to go back again during the week with no kids and peruse around the shopping part of it, because we didn't get much of a chance to go in many of the stores. We were basically looking at Mr. Beast Burger and all the other attractions they had there. Look at this. Woohoo! Oh, look at that ride. I'm not a big daredevil. I don't like rides. I get dizzy on them. I don't like heights. But some people love them. They're real thrill seekers. It's just not me. I get dizzy watching the other people on the rides. Ooh, look at that. Oh no. And here's another big attraction, the Dream Wheel. It's a gigantic Ferris wheel with 26 glass-enclosed, climate-controlled gondolas that will take 20 people on 25-minute rides. And here's lots more. Wait till you see these roller coasters coming up. Oh, here we go. No, thank you. But like I said, for all the daredevils out there, knock yourselves out. You'll have to go here. You will have an absolute... Oh, look at that. Oh, no, 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 no. Not for me. Oh, look at that. Oh, spinning around up top there. No. The shredder. Woo. Oh, like I say, I had a ball watching it. As long as I was down below on the ground. Look at those things. And when they go upside down, no. How do they not fall out? Look at that. If you don't live too far from this area, by all means, take your family for a nice daycation escape. They will love it. Oh, here comes Thomas. Choo-choo. And now you can have a splashing good time at the DreamWorks water park. And this is the largest indoor water park in North America. You can experience year-round splashy fun with the largest selection of water rides worldwide. Can you believe that? They have record-breaking slides, luxury cabanas, and they have an 81-degree Fahrenheit tropical climate all year round. They also have the world's largest indoor wave pool. You can even rent it out for private surf lessons if you want. The waves are 3 to 4 feet with a few bigger peaks. There's no admission price to get into the mall, but you will pay to get into the skiing area or the water park. And check this out, the one and only Oreo cookie cafe. Look at that light. Oh boy, the desserts and the drinks were so delicious looking. Like Italian pastries? Well, there's Rosetta's Italian Bakery. Just look at these. And if you watch my baking channel, you know I love cannolis. And there was no shortage of them here. Delicious coffees, Italian, delicacies. Enough to make your mouth water. Just look at those. Oh my goodness. Yummy in the tummy. Look at those cannolis. Yum, yum, yum. Something for everyone. One of the main reasons we went to the mall was to eat at Mr. Beast Burger. If you don't know who he is, he's a YouTuber with 120 million subscribers, and he opened up his first and only restaurant in the American Dream Mall. The burgers were delicious, and I'll put the link to the special YouTube video I did on Mr. Beast Burger in the description box.